Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your Buick Encore. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is active and ready to pair. On your Encore's infotainment system, navigate to the phone menu. From there, you'll select the option to pair device or add phone. Your car will then search for available Bluetooth devices. This initial step is crucial for a seamless connection, allowing you to enjoy hands-free calling and audio streaming. Once your Buick Encore finds your phone, select its name from the list on the car's display. A pairing code will appear on both your phone and the infotainment screen. Verify these codes match exactly. After confirming, your phone might ask for permission to access contacts and messages. Granting these allows for full functionality, including hands-free calls and text message alerts. This secure connection ensures your privacy while driving. For a wired connection, simply plug your phone into the Buick Encore's USB port using a quality cable. This often activates Apple CarPlay or Android Auto automatically. If not, select the corresponding icon on your infotainment screen. These systems mirror your phone's interface, providing access to navigation, music, and messaging apps safely. It's a fantastic way to integrate your smartphone experience directly into your driving. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and the car's infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning the car off and on again can resolve minor glitches. You might also need to delete any old phone pairings from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the Encore system before attempting to reconnect. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. A fresh start often fixes most connection problems, ensuring you stay connected on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.